Hello everybody, this is Professional Amateur. Today I'm going to show you how to record your PC screen with Filmora Wondershare. So first, you have to download the Wondershare Filmora software to record the PC screen, obviously. So first, open it, and then in this upper section you will find this record option. When you click it, you can see there is a record from webcam, record from PC screen, and a voice over also. You just have to click the PC screen to record PC screen, obviously. So when you click this PC screen, this section will pop up. Then you can select this desired settings and then click OK, and then click the record option. Then your PC screen will be recorded with your desired resolution. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for everyone watching this video. Subscribe for your own good and inspire me. Thank you.